Hi everybody, my name is Roman and I welcome you on my channel Low Budget Solution, and today I would like to show you how we can save some money when we don't have so many machines at home. Probably some of you have a bagger at home, but you are missing dumper or tractor or any other machines that you can use for your excavation on your garden and side. And solution for me was to buy some parts like toggling equipment. You can buy it for $2 or something when you use the old one, and the trailer that I actually have because it is for my friend for free, so it was the best price. I have to a little bit reinforce it, and you can see it's covered with the steel completely. It is 1mm steel and it's enough. If you want to reinforce your one, I maybe recommend 1.5mm steel and it will be okay. So definitely you need on the rod some reinforcement also here on the bottom side. It would be better if it was a little bit longer, but I have finished just here, and you see it's like 10 centimeters behind, and it wasn't enough because it's a little bit damaged, but I think it's still okay. I will show you the trailer from the bottom, how it looks. Give me a second. So here we are on the trailer, just from the behind. There was also some kind of wood reinforcement because it is very old, and you see it's really damaged and very old, but it should be enough. The most important is to reinforce the rod, and that's it. I think you can find very similar trailers in your locations and it will be just okay, like this one. Now I will show you how to load it and how to disload it and move it. It will be, I think, the funny part. Okay, I'm in the bagger and we try now, and you can see how I load it. Nice black ground, use it for the garden, so I would like to separate it because it's very old and very feedy ground. Most of the people have to buy such a nice ground for big money, but I have enough here. But I don't have to buy it. So you can see how many kilos we can maybe put inside. I would say one load is about 60 kilos, maybe 70 kilos. It's not so much, but when you make like 10 of them or something, definitely it's something that you don't want to do it handle, you know. I am now 46 years old and really just move with the bullet and some
something doing with hand. Oh man, that's definitely something I don't like. I prefer the machine. But the point is, who from us have another machine or tractor or something? Nobody usually have it. So we are loaded, so we can drive a bit. I will change the camera a little bit to bigger one, so you can see the load. You can hear even the excavator has a little bit more with that. We put the full gas and we move it on this side, because there I have separated this nice black ground. Okay, so how to disload? It's very simple. You just push it back and it will be enough. This one is a little bit smooth. It goes very nice. When you have maybe a little bit snow inside or see it's wet, sometimes I don't have enough power to do it, but it's okay. See, the road you need the bigger one, then you want to a little bit push the ground, the bagger on the other side. This is what actually happens when you make some kind of damage to the trailer. But when you reinforce it, it generally survives everything, and that's it. So you see, when you have nice one and you don't leave on the side like here, you see there are those steel rods over there, and I always left something inside, but it is good for the condition. It can survive a little bit more. So this one is the solution for me. I can easily move it. I don't know how much is it, half too big over ground or something, and it's pretty good, really fast. You don't need to do anything, and I think it's very nice. Maybe you can see you need to a little bit measure what is your bagger touch, you know, how far you can move, and you can see I can move exactly at the end. Yeah, so that's exactly what you want to need to count. And on the road in the front, you need to make it longer or shorter to fit your directions to your bagger and everything. So this is very useful for me, and I think it was paid off already, because it was just some kind of material. It's like it's not even $100 that I have put inside with the welding and everything. So very good. I can only recommend. So if you like, subscribe to the channel. I will make more. There will be new project that I will be standing up the workshop, actually, where we were taking the ground off. There will be like, I don't know, maybe 100 cubic I need to move, so it will be a lot of moving, and I will keep maybe posted later how it finished, if the trailer survived, or the bagger reparation that I did yesterday because of the broken rod. So definitely there will be more videos coming, and I hope you will enjoy the content, and see you next time. Bye bye.